Got 20 million in crypto, hanging blue around my throat. Owner put up 10 grand reward, stingy fella asked the bloke. Now my face is on the lampposts all the way from town to Piton. Took one wrong turn to clear my head, next thing the whole island said I was gone. Caught a tuk-tuk with an Aussie, shirt off, giving rude advice. Yelling, mate, I know a shortcut, like getting there was rolling dice. Cruising down the mall escalator like I own the polished place. Then some lady chased me through the car park like I'd keyed a hatchback with my face. Scared some Koreans at the skill test, trying to win a plush. Work that claw like a bloke who says, nah, watch this, once too much. Got caught outside a gentleman's club doing cultural research, mate. Then got filmed on a public dunny by an Aussie going, you know Steve? Mate, I know about 8. There's no place like HOMA, no place like home. I got famous by mistake, now I just wanna go from the neon to the shoreline, from the concrete to the coast. You can keep the whole weird legend, I just want my HOMA. Yeah, had a coconut in a health spa, trying to keep things zen. Then some yank said, drink 6 more, champ, might start looking like a man. Stared down my own missing poster till a British lass cried there, like I'd nicked a royal corgi. So I slipped straight under the fence somewhere, read a book beside a giant teddy in the middle of the mall. Like I ran adult literacy for bears and had been born to that call. Tried to nick a toy from a baby, huge misunderstanding, calm down mate. Then a Frenchman sprinted in like Interpol, so I vanished through a drain grate. Some baked on a girl's bum, thinking I'd found first class foam. She looked back, I got catapulted, fair enough, I should've known. A rubber duck tried making friends on the beach in front of some hot backpacker yet, so I smacked it twice to look hard. Not my proudest moment yet. Got spiritual with the statues till the ums went full. Oh my god, found in a piece for 7 seconds, then thought, nah, this is odd. But there's no place like HOMA, no place like home. I got famous by mistake, now I just wanna go from the neon to the shoreline, from the concrete to the coast. You can keep the whole weird legend, I just want my HOMA. Then Bruno Ball turned up, Italian thick as tiramisu. Hit the Apple store for apple juice, Subway for a train or two. He saw 2 toilets side by side and said I could sit next to my wife. Store clerk thought he's lost the plot in the worst shirt she'd seen in her life. Then Clown 33 from Miami rolled up, couldn't tie their shoes alone. Like 2 blokes had watched Scarface once and built a lifestyle on that alone. Car hood, hostage vid, resort swim, laundromat, fake tattoo, haircut, massage, pedicure. No happy ending, still 20 million hanging around my neck, absolute amateur. Then 2 more lunatics stole me back, which somehow counted as rescue. Next thing I was finally heading home, before the island made a sequel. There's no place like HOMA, no place like home. Back to my owner, back where I belong. From the neon to the shoreline, from the madness to the coast. You can keep the whole mad island, I just want my HOMA. There's no place like HOMA, no place like home. Finally free and safely normal, for about 4 seconds on my own. Still just Gordon in the headlights, with a face the whole town knows. There's no place like HOMA, no place like home. I just want it to go home, mate, back where I belong. Home to my owner, home to HOMA. Finally free, now I'm in a bloody series. Tune in.